All right, so let's see how you guys did with this one. Big note, I don't know, hopefully you noticed it, but this has something that we haven't done yet before with the negative amplitude. Okay, so careful with that, right? Remember, if it's a negative amplitude, what's that gonna do? It's gonna flip it. Okay, but if you guys are multiplying it and following the way that we said about taking the numbers and multiplying them and kind of following the pattern, then you don't really have to worry about that because it's going to take care of itself. But we'll talk about that as we get there. All right, so your amplitude is -2, k value is 1, there's only 1 in front. Period is 2 pi divided by whatever that k is, so that's 2 pi. Your increments of what you're going to count by pi over 2, because you're going to take that and divide by 4. I know, it's been the same thing every time, but like I said, there will be at some point a k, and you guys have to know how to do it. Okay, so these will eventually change, but not for now. Okay, phase shift, we don't have one. Vertical shift, it's going down too. Okay, so to get your points, we're going to make our little theta y table. Okay, you're using the sine values. Right? So at 0, because that's where we're starting at, okay, you're going to replace this. Actually, this should be sine theta. Let's make that better. Okay? Sine theta is 0. So, actually, no. That was right. At 0, right? That's 0. So -2. Times 0 minus 2 is -2, right? At pi over 2, it's 1. So it's -2 times 1 minus 2 is -4, right? So at 0, we're at -2. At pi over 2, we're at -4. Okay, at pi, it's 0 again. -2. 3 pi over 2, we're using -1, right? So -2 times -1, that's a +2, minus a 2 would give you 0. And then at 2 pi, you're back to 0 again. Okay. And there you go. Hopefully that's what you have. Again, yours may look a little bit different depending on how you have it, but it should go like that. Now, it looks like I said it always have the same shape, and it does, but remember, because it's negative, it was flipped, right, over the y-axis, over the x-axis, sorry. So it should be going down first and then up. All right, so if you got a little worried about that, don't. Okay, and then going back the other direction, remember, see if you can follow the pattern of what you've done here. That stays the same. Then you're at 0. Then you're at -2. Then you're at -4. And then you were back to -2. There you go. Okay, so hopefully, again, that's what your graph looks like. Make sure your coordinate points are in the exact same spots as mine, right? At 0, it's -2. Pi over 2, -4. Pi, -2, right? Follow these. Hopefully they're the same, okay? Yeah, hopefully it looks good. If not, make sure you guys hop on the virtual learning lesson sections whenever they come up and ask questions, all right?